Pleasant morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online class, grade 5th, Environmental Studies. Okay, in the last class, we had studied about the chapter number 9. Okay, so that is about food, essence of life. Okay, so all of you open the page number 117 today. So, in the last class, we had studied about the essence of food. Okay, food is very important for living, so it also provides nutrition to the all children or all to all the people. Okay, they are very essential in the life. So it also a source of energy which provide energy for the people. So that is the importance of now food, nutrition food. And of course we had understood about plant is the source of food, and today we are going to know little more about food, that we are going to learn about the importance of a healthy food. Okay, so yes, we understood that in the last class even government has taken many steps in order to provide nutrition food for the children. Okay, so especially, so they were provided nutrition food like milk, midday meals are provided, and egg, so they are called nutrition food. Okay, so and now today let us understand about the importance of food again, that what we eat, what do we eat according to the seasons. Okay, summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Okay, so the food practice also is differ from one place to another place, and it also differ from one season to another season. Okay, example, we always would prefer, okay, cold food during the summer season, okay, hot food during the winter season. Okay, so that they have given, you have to list, okay, hot food and cold food during the winter, summer, as well as rainy season. And diverse food, of course, the same common food will not be practiced by everyone. Even the village people or the town people having the food habits is different. Okay, so their food habits is different. Example, we can understand North India as well as South India and food. At the same time, we can say, yes, when you visit some hotels, you will understand there were South Indian meal and North Indian meal. At the same time, we can understand even in Karnataka, North Karnataka food is different from South Indian, South Karnataka food, right? And even Kerala food. So it differs. Okay, so habitation of the food habitation of the people will be different. Okay, it differs. And even coastal region, North Karnataka and South Karnataka. Okay, that one you have to list out. Okay, so that is the activity, you should do it at home. And also they have given which food do you like mainly in summer, which food do you like take commonly in winter, which is the main food of your district. You need to write the answer. And page number 119. So already I spoke about junk food and healthy food. So junk food is not healthy. So always we should prefer only healthy food. Okay. So nowadays, of course, we can understand, yes, due to now the technology, due to mobiles, and due to cookery book, new taste cookery book. Okay, so the people have changed their habit, I mean food habits. All right, what happens, many children always would prefer only pizza, burger, ice cream. Okay, so these will really now these food are not healthy, and they really causes diseases. Okay, and definitely the children always fall in sick. So what we need to now prefer, or we need to prefer always healthy food. Okay, so it is very important, so in order to maintain or balance our health in day to day life. Okay, so although we are of the same state, our food system is on the basis of climate and food materials. Already I told you it differs from one state to another state, or from one district to another district. Even the people also grow different crops. Okay, so of course you know that. So plants are the source of food. So different no foods are available, and the people also grow different crops. Now they can also described as follows. What happens nowadays? Magazines, advertisement, okay, and many telecasting programs, channels, TV channels, radio. These have changed the habits of the food of the common people today, and use of internet and mobile phones and computers, cookery books have changed the taste of the food. And also many people started to consume only fast food and unhealthy food. Okay, so that's why they have listed some of the unhealthy food items. They are pizza, burger, okay, sauce, samosa, okay, cornflakes, soup, noodles, ice cream, chocolates, chips have increased. Okay, due to this, what happened? Instead of consuming nutrients homemade food, the people are consuming only unhealthy food or fast food. Okay, which are mixed. I mean, which is where chemicals are added. Okay, so that's why consuming sauce rich food items like gobi manchurian, pani puri, Chinese food has become common. The sauce contains certain chemicals which make food tastier. Okay, so but the people would always prefer only tasty food, even though it gives tasty, but what happens? It is unhealthy. It is only for some time. Okay, so many times what happens? Consuming chemicalized food causes stomach pain, obesity, okay, and so many problems. Okay, so what the people has to do, our children has to do, so they have to always would like to consume only healthy food. So that's what they have given. What are the effects of change in food habits? People fall sick easily. People fall sick easily. Poisonous chemicals enter the body due to the intake of tasty food instead of healthy food. Body is losing power to fight diseases. Consumption of spicy food and junk food has given rise to obesity problems. So these are, we can also say that this is junk food. Now let us understand about ready-made food. Ready-made food packets. Okay, kurkure, okay, lays. These are some of the ready-made food packets which are sold in the shops. What happens there? Many children will be attracted towards to that, and many times what happens there, we can see expiry date and a manufacturing date. So eating this kurkure or lays, what happens sometimes? Expiry date, no packets, food packets. So that also again causes lot of problems to health. To maintain the health, right? So now date of manufacture and expiry date will be there on the pocket, on that packet you can see, and some of the ingredients are added on the stuffs that you can read. You could read. Okay, whenever you purchase some of the no packet food or okay ready-made food packets, and also you can see temperature needed to preserve the packet. Okay, and oxygen also will be filled in the kurkure or a lace packet. Okay, so that what happens in order to save the no preferred stuff. And now it is dangerous to eat foodstuffs which have expired or consist of lot of added chemicals, already I told you. So even though we have understood about the food is very essential to our life. Wasting of food nowadays, what happens? We can see a food being wasted here and there. This picture you can see where the people have thrown chapatis on the road, on the bank of rivers. Even we could see even on the garbage pit where lot of food is wasted, and throwing away food which is worth consuming is called wasting of a food. Where we can see these wastages of food, especially during the marriage time and in the hotels you can see, and food is being wasted in many circumstances. Please open the page number 122. There you list in on which occasions so the food is going to be wasted. Okay, wasting food, it is not good, because each and every food counts to our life. Even there are many people, so they are in hunger, so by saving food we can at least save one life. Okay, so you know that, so India is a population country, so it is really useful for the people. Okay, that's why we are not supposed to waste any food. And yes, sometimes what happens, we can preserve the food through refrigerator, okay, fridge, okay, and good food keeps the healthy physically and mentally. Okay, so what we need to do, we always should practice to eat only good food and healthy food, so that really balance our health, and our life also will be happy, so that we can protect ourselves by eating good food, and we can live for long in order to serve in the society. It is very important. Finally, I can say health is wealth. So please, my dear children, always try to practice to eat only homemade food, not junk food. Thank you.